Non-negotiables on professionalism will be part of the mantra for new West Indies women's head coach Shane Dietz as the team embarks on a journey with the Australian after replacing legendary fast bowler Courtney Walsh. Jerome Foster tells us more.
In 2016, the West Indies women's team formed part of a magical three-piece of regional success following their T20 World Cup win in India. 7 years from then, and the team has seen coaching and captaincy changes as well as selection panel changes. Jamaican Courtney Walsh was the last man in charge of the team following his appointment in 2020. However, after a substandard first-round elimination in the T20 World Cup earlier this year, he was relieved, and in comes Australian Shane Dietz. The 48-year-old who helped the Netherlands women regain one international status has already identified what his approach will be.
Having a proper program that fits the way we can train in our facilities and what we've got here to offer the players. So it's right, having the right mix to train smart and say train hard. I guess it's a bit of a cliche, but you just got to train like a world-class athlete, and that's probably a non-negotiable. So, well, what I've seen from the players so far, there's plenty that are doing that and are showing their performances world-class, and they do all the right things. So.
From there, Dietz wants to keep the flair of the regional team.
Cricket I really want to play is definitely the traditional West Indian calypso style of play, attacking, taking it to the opposition and getting on the front foot. It's why I've always coached cricket around the world, and that's not going to change here. It's a style of play I think that's effective. So the players will be definitely getting the message that we're here to win, and we're going to try to win by playing attacking, free-flowing cricket.
And even with his statement of intent, Dietz is on the prowl to upgrade the players to get to the levels of his brand.
Skill sets, upgrades in players, etc. But we'll work towards that so they've got the ability to be able to play that style of cricket. And I think that's most successful around the world. Australia play at the moment in women's cricket. You know, they're scoring over 300 in ODIs and high 100s, 160, 180s in T20. So we're definitely going to follow that method and play that style of cricket and play the Caribbean way.
Dietz's first assignment will see the West Indies women squaring off with Australia in 3 ODIs and 3 T20 internationals starting in October. Following the Australia series, West Indies women will have 4 further 3-match ODI series to play over the next 2 years in a bid to be one of 5 automatic qualifiers for the 50-over World Cup in 2025. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.